Are you ready to unlock the world of cryptocurrency? Here's your chance to get free crypto. That's right, no strings attached, just pure digital currency delivered right to you. Imagine the possibilities of owning a part of the future of finance without spending a dime. This is not just an opportunity, it's an invitation to step into a revolution. But wait, you need to act fast. This is a limited time offer and the clock is ticking. Airdrops are a fantastic way for new projects to spread the word, and they're giving away free tokens to build their communities. Visualize yourself among the lucky recipients who get to explore upcoming crypto projects from the ground up. The excitement is palpable, and the opportunities are endless. So how do you claim your airdrop? First, make sure to follow the project's official channels on social media. Keep an eye out for announcements and instructions. Typically, you might need to join a Telegram group, follow them on Twitter, or even share a post to qualify. Picture yourself scrolling through your feed, seeing the latest updates, and knowing that each interaction brings you closer to your free tokens. Once you're in, don't forget to check your wallet regularly. Those tokens could be waiting for you. Imagine opening your digital wallet and finding that new tokens have been added. Each token represents a gateway to new possibilities. You could invest, trade, or simply hold on to it for the long term, watching its value potentially grow. Remember, opportunities like this don't come around often. Just think about the countless doors that free crypto could open for you. From new investment opportunities to giving you a taste of the rapidly evolving digital economy. So don't miss your chance to grab some free crypto now. Take action and be a part of something revolutionary. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and tips on navigating the crypto world. Visualize yourself staying ahead of the curve, armed with the latest knowledge and ready to dive deeper into the fascinating universe of digital currencies. Join our community, stay informed, and seize the opportunities that come your way.